from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness.
Okay guys, so let's do a quick haul before we start cleaning. I went and got a squeegee for my shower door. This is to ensure that all that water, because we have really hard water, so that's just to ensure that all the water gets off the glass. And then I got this thing that I can wash. The one I have is not washable, and I prefer stuff that I can wash. That way I'm not wasting money on repurchasing things. Got a brush to scrub my, this needs to be cleaned. What is that? That's a reflection of the dawn on the thing. I got this brush to scrub my shower floor. Our shower floor has kind of like grooves in it, and it gets really disgusting, so I got this to scrub that. Got some Dawn because I'm going to use that with 1 cup of this, and I think I don't remember the measurement. If I remember, I will put it in the description bar below. This is to spray on my shower door to get all that hard water buildup off of there. So that's that. I got a bucket because I need that to put Tide, bleach, and water in to scour my bathroom. So I got Tide, and this is what I'm going to be using for my clothes and also for cleaning. Over here, because I am a Fabuloso queen, I use Fabuloso for everything. I went ahead and picked up the Fabuloso bleach alternative. This is for my surfaces, so I would use half of this and then half water. I mix it up. So I have this little bit remaining because I pour out the rest the other day to clean my floor. So I picked this up so I don't have to add the bleach in because bleach is expensive. This little guy was like $6 something. I want to go back to the days when bleach was like $3 or $2 or something like that, but that was $6. So I don't have time to be wasting my bleach. So if I can find stuff with bleach in it, I am a bleach queen. I love bleach. I don't care what nobody says. I don't think your house is clean if you're not using bleach. That's just my opinion. You can say whatever you want, but bleach, give it to me all day. So I got Fabuloso. I got 2 different scents just to try them out. I've never used this scent before. I don't think. I usually get the blue or the pink or the purple. This is for my laundry. This is for my bathrooms. I use these to wipe down the toilets. And yeah, yes, you need that. This is laundry. Lysol for kitchen countertops because I ran out the other day, and with COVID going around, I can't afford to be fooling around with just Fabuloso. I need something to kill the germs. 99.9%. So yeah, we're not playing around here. Got Snuggles for laundry, Clorox, and then I picked up these guys. This is the Infuse, a cleaner way to clean microfiber cloth. This is for glass and window. And Target had a special where if you purchase one, you could get the other one for 30% off. So I just picked up the all-purpose one, and you get 2 cloths instead of the other one. I forgot what the other one name is. E-cloth or something. They wanted $7.99. Like, no. Was it $7? It was some ridiculous price for 2 cloths. No, baby. So I picked up this one. This is for bathrooms. And I love the feel of them. So I'm going to try these out and see if they work. And then I got some scouring pads because these things work. Like, they work on everything. Just don't use them on you like your fixture and stuff like that, because it will scour the finish off of it. Then I got the Infuse cleaning bucket because I never had one of these. I would just be walking around with my stuff in my hand. So, and then I got a bottle where I'm going to put vinegar and Dawn for my shower door. And then my best friend, barkeeper's friend, I picked up another one. And the soft scrub, the soft cleaner, whatever. And that's all I got from oh, I didn't tell y'all. Yeah, I did tell y'all I got the vinegar. Oh, I feel like yeah. Then I got the scouring thing because, yeah, I need to do some serious cleaning in my bathroom. And then I got, yeah, I picked up dark food. And then I got a, is the thing, dustpan. So let's get cleaning.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without
go now, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na na na, we ain't got the time.
Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could.